Hello, in today's video I'll show you the difference between the modern and the classic display layout on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. If you click on three lines in the top right corner, you can go to the settings, then find interface and find manual control interface, and you can set it to modern or classic. Now I'll set it to modern first. That is the current default option. And if I go to, for example, adapted cooking, then this is what it looks like. It shows you the temperature, the time, the speed, and the direction as a list. Then you can click on start. Right here, you can enable the turbo and the scale. And you could click on plus to also enable turbo and scale. So, yeah. Whatever. What is different about the classic layout is that it resembles a Thermomix a bit more. If I go to classic and go to adapted cooking, I can now see this is what it looks like. You can also enable the reverted. No, sorry, that is not. That's interesting. I don't see the. Probably that is the option of like reverted mode, but can't really say, to be honest. Yeah, but that's what you get. You get the speed, the temperature, and the time. Now, in both of these modes, you can either adjust with the knob or by sliding your finger. In the modern mode, you can also use the knob or slide your finger. So, honestly, there's not much differences. It's just that I'm not sure whether that is reverse. Probably that is, but I can't guarantee. You need to try it out. And yeah, I'll actually check it and let you know. Yes, I've just checked, and it is indeed the reverse mode. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.